Gorkhe Khukuri Laure Kamarma Manjito Mayale Maile Marma Gorkhe Khukuri Laure Kamarma Manjito Mayale Maile Marma Manjito Mayale Maile Marma. Yes, hello Nepali people, Sanche Onuncha, welcome back everyone. This is your African boy, myself Gabs Gabi guys. And today we are going to react, or I'm gonna sing for you guys another new Nepali song guys, new reaction out here. So previous I reacted to Berdali song and I really loved that song guys. It was so meaningful, like so lovely song. And you can go and check it, you can go and check it and rate how I try to sing it. And I also react to Rukumai Kota, that is Rukumai Kota song, that is one of my favorite. And today we are trying Gorkhe Khukuri guys. I don't know if I pronounce it properly, but anyway, I also love this song, so I'm gonna try and do my best to sing for you guys. And good news for all the Nepali viewers here guys, next week only guys, from next week I will be coming to Nepal, Kathmandu guys. I can't wait guys, I can't wait to explore Nepal guys. So make sure to subscribe and enjoy this reaction video. Till I come there, I will be posting also my vlogs about Nepal in this channel guys. Love you all. Dhanyavad. Let's go. This is a dance version guys. This is a dance version here. Let's sing together, okay? You can also tell me the meaning. Tell me the meaning of Gorkhe Khukuri. Do boys also dance together in this, or boys dance is separate? Start. Gorkhe Khukuri, Gorkhe Khukuri, Gorkhe Khukuri, Laure Kamarma. Manjito Mayale Maile Marma Gorkhe Khukuri Laure Kamarma Manjito Mayale Maile Marma Manjito Mayale Maile Marma Manjito Mayale Maile Marma. Got it right? Khukuri, Gorkhe Khukuri, Laure Kamarma, Manjito Mayale Maile Marma, Gorkhe Khukuri, Laure Kamarma, Manjito Mayale Maile Marma, Manjito Mayale Maile Marma. Manjito Mayale Maile Marma Laure Kamarma Manjito Mayale Maile Marma. Wow, I got it. It's like Gorkhe Khukuri Laure Kamarma Manjito Mayale Maile Marma Manjito Mayele Pailena Marma, right? Gorkhe Khukuri Laure Marma. What does it mean, guys? I love it. I love it. I love it. It was so energetic, especially the dance, man. Those women or those ladies, wow, they did so amazing out here, guys. I love the energy. Like, wow, wow, they are so professional, and I can't believe in this level or in this age they can still dance that amazing and so energetic, guys. Just this is so beautiful, right? This is so beautiful, and I don't know, is it like is this a traditional song, cultural song, guys, or they are just putting on the traditional attires, the Nepali attires. This is Nepali attires, right? Because mostly I see in most of their videos also in Rekumai Kota song, they were also wearing red. Yeah, mostly I think most of Nepali traditional, especially for ladies, they put the red one, right? Yeah, anyway, it is just so nice and so lovely, especially the one they put on their head here, guys. It's very hot, guys. It's very hot here. You can see how I'm sweating. By the way, how is the weather there? Now I'm in India, guys. I'm in India. Like daytime, it used to be very hot, guys. Very, very hot, especially the South India. I don't know about North India, but just know that the Northeast India is very cool, but the North and South is very hot, guys. And I can't wait to come Nepal. I used to hear that you all know about the Nepal. It's famous for the mountains, Everest, and the amazing climate weather. So I can't wait to come there and enjoy, guys. So that was it. Anyway, the song was amazing. Tell me, what does it mean by Gorkhe, guys? What is it? It is nice song. I see it similar, like similar to Rukumai Kota song, guys. It is. But anyway, this was the dance version. The dance was amazing, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss my vlog when I come to Nepal, Kathmandu, Nere Maya. Love you all. Hope you guys are doing well. They said Timle, Timlai, or Tapale Kasto Sha. Tapale Kasto Sha. Ani Tapaiko. Meronam Gabs. Meronam Ho Gabs. Meronam Gabs Ho. Yeah, Meronam Gabs Ho. Thank you so much, guys. There is one word also I learned it. They say it like Nepali, Sanskriti, Nepali, Sanskriti, what? Nepali, Sanskriti, Rasanta, Ramro. Cha! Yeah, that's it. I'm trying to learn, guys. I'm learning also basic of Nepali, like Hoi, Allah, like this, the basic one, so that when I come there, I can use it, guys. So thank you so much. Anyway, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. Love you all. Till next time. See you next week in Kathmandu, Pakora. Bye.